People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People of 7 on Twitter and YouTube. People elsewhere on the internet. My soaps located at purplebutterfly-soaps.myshopify.com. My blog, purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. And I'm doing a hair mask with the Hawaiian Silky Moisture Repair Masque. This stuff is thick, y'all. I put it on after washing. I decided not to use a regular conditioner because apparently using a conditioner and then using a mask is counterintuitive. I've never known that before. But apparently when you use a regular conditioner, the molecules are larger and is made for a short period of time, whereas a deep conditioner is made to penetrate more deeply. So when you put one on top of the other, they fight each other. So that explains a lot. I've been doing it wrong for years. So this time I washed my hair and then went straight to the Moisture Mask, which is a deep conditioner. And literally when I put it on, it was as thick as a relaxer. Look at that. And my curls are literally flattened out just because of how thick it is. I mean, it's thick. I have about 10 minutes to before I could rinse it out. So I decided to make a video about the samples that came in the box because somebody said, nice unboxing, but what were the samples that were sent in the box? So we're going to go over that now. The first one is the Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1, which is actually the product that I bought. So nice to get a free sample because I use this stuff all the time and that's not going to go to waste. And then there's some very small writing. Vital or Vital. Okay. Olive oil hair mayonnaise. Hold on. Let's put it at the viewfinder. And it says, it's your hair, love it. This one is interesting. It says Olive Oil Babies 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioning shampoo, and body wash. So I assume that's for a kid. Let's read the directions. Put a small amount, soft washcloth gently, massage your baby from their precious little head down to the wiggly little toes. Yeah, that's for a baby. And then there's Olive Baby's Nourishing Nursery Lotion. So I'm assuming after you wash them, you lotion them up with this. General enough for everyday use. Apply a small amount on the precious little one's skin. Yeah. And then Wonder Grow Hair Oil. Well, that's self-explanatory. All of these are products by AFAM, which is where I buy the Hawaiian Silky from. Softening, no hassle, braid detangler. Wish I knew this product existed many, many moons ago. Okay, free sample hydrating sleek shampoo. Phthalate free, paraben free for all hair types. And it's got argan oil in it. Okay. Then there's 15 of these, by the way. Then we have Organic Hair Energizer 5-in-1 Rejuvenating Conditioner with Provitamins B5 for growth, style, and shine after shampoo treatment. Oh, well. They fit all of those words I just said on this itty bitty label. Ooh. Wonder Grow Coconut Oil Styling Gel. Conditions and repairs alcohol-free, non-flaking, maximum hold. No big word I can't say, which parentheses TEA. Triethylamine. Whatever that is TEA, which apparently has been an issue in recent gels by places like Eco Styler. Okay, this one is Vital Olive Oil Leave-In Conditioner, naturally beautiful. It's going to take me a while to get through these, if I even try these, because I'm using a single line right now. No harsh chemicals, OSAT, naturals, 5-in-1 oils, leave-in for strengthening and moisturizing. Triple protection lotion. Triple moisture lotion. The challenge is just saying that. Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 Miracles Natural Hair Yogurt Intensive Treatment for all hair types. I use the Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 line. This is apparently an extension of it. It's got an apple cider vinegar variant. And then Hawaiian Silky's 14-in-1 Natural Apple Cider Vinegar Hair So Soft Conditioner. So one of these times I'll try the conditioner and yogurt treatment. Well, separately. You're not supposed to use a conditioner next to a deep conditioner, apparently. Just learned that. Okay, this is a deep conditioning mask by King's Curls and Coils. Repairs and strengthen, no harsh chemicals, natural hair care. Salon exclusive. Translation, I can't buy that in a store, which means I won't be using it unless I can, order from the place I got it from. And then the King's Curls and Coils Curl Enhancing Jelly, Shape and Define. Usually when I wear my hair natural, I just put on some 14-in-1 Miracle Working leave-in conditioner, give it a shake and go. But that was everything that was in the sample box. Well, the box rather, with the samples that I keep dropping everywhere. Yeah. So I hope your curiosity has been sated. I'm finna go rinse this out of my hair. And then, well, basically I don't even have to detangle. This literally melted all my curls into a tame lion instead of, hey, how you doing? Now it's like, I'm docile. Now, after I rinse it out and comb through it, that might be a different story. But for right now, look how this mask is. I just literally put it on, and I mean, it's some thick stuff. So, ta-da. That's thick. Now, when I rinse it out, of course, I expect my curls to come right back because we don't like flat. If I want flat hair, I'll use the straightening comb or a flat iron or the blow dryer. But yeah, this has been People at 7 on Twitter and YouTube, People at elsewhere on the internet. My soaps are located at PurpleButterfly-Soaps.myshopify.com. My blog, PurpleButterfly-People.blogspot.com. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. Bye now. And side note, a friend of mine was talking about how editing takes for so much time. And I said, I don't edit. Whatever happens, happens. The most editing I do is to stitch a clip to another clip. But basically, you know, I've been on a sneeze on camera. I'm dropping stuff on camera. I'm goofy on camera. My personality is my personality. And I'm random on camera. So you get what you get. Thought I'd share that. This has been People. Y'all stay blessed. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye now.